I'm starting. Carly, I started.
Look, it's our kid, Carly.
Oh my god, the save. Oh my god. Oh.
What is that?
What the? That garbage. Some garbage right here. Frankie, move your head. Trying to get some good film in here. Nah. Chill. Yo, chill. Chill out. Yo, chill.
Is this going on our YouTube channel?
No idea.
I'm not gonna get any views.
Nah. Gonna make less views. He's gonna make it less views.
Stop recording and then restart when it's done.
We're still going.
Like,
Weirdo.
and like.
Oh shoot, dang.
Hey,
Why'd you film like this?
oh my God, why are you keeping
Whoa, Grant, no need to get the insults on me. Ooh. There's some pro gameplay right here, Hey, chill.
Shout out to Emoj.
No, sure. Okay. Bro, what are you doing? Can't be losing like this. This man's be representing Barnsley Elementary School. Oh shoot. Yo, who goes to Barnsley Elementary School? Who here went to Barnsley Elementary School? So weirdo. Weirdo.
You actually?
Weirdo. Alright, glad we got that done. Ooh. Oh shoot. Yo, we're gonna get a different camera angle here.
Get it on the table.
He's got the ball in his hands. Ooh. And she drops it. Butterfingers. Ooh. Cringe. Oh my god, the save by Micah. Oh, so close. Ooh. Look at that concentrated face, folks. This man wants to win the whole tournament. Look at that camera quality, folks.
Injure the opponents. Yes.
Great idea.
This is the game point. I like the game point here.
Oh my God.
6-5. Grant, can I look on right now?
Ooh.
Yeah. 3. Win coming 2 points for West. Thank my mama for Slimeball. Yeah!
Looks like that's game. Interview. Ooh, dang, look at that. Hey, look at this.
Ref go outside.
Hey, all the views. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe. And comment and subscribe. Oh, I think he saved it. Sorry, we didn't get that on. Oh, she got it. This is a little rig. Who the heck is that? The ref is retarded. He called a redo. What the heck is a redo? Come on, guys. Alright, get the views. You know you gotta get the views. Alright. Oh, it doesn't even touch the table. What is going on? What is going on? Ooh, dang.
That was I just put a record right now. Because, I mean, if you think about it, Nate's really strong, so, I mean, boy, we're not going to walk over.
Not even touching the table. Grant's disappointed face.
Yeah.
Ooh, dang.
Let's
I'm zooming in.
That's our serve.
Stu needs to cut his hair. Cut your hair. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
7-6. Winning doesn't make me a cheater, man. No, they're not.
Oh my God, he caught it.
Don't open it.
You freaking missed. You got lucky.
Oh. Oh dang. Oh dang.
No. That's
Interference by this retard. This kid has no idea what's going on right now. What the heck is happening in his brain? Oh shoot, he saw us. Carly fumbles the ball. Triggered. Oh shoot, the ball is in play. It is 8-0. The score is currently 8-0, you know. Carly fumbles the ball again.
That does not count. Yes, it does.
Oh, who's this?
Now, if it goes in there, that doesn't
The girl is still there. Oh, no, that's Gabriel.
Your rules are good. No.
Go away.
9-8. Who the hell are you texting?
You know, it wasn't my decision to hold the camera like this. It was her decision. I mean, I feel bad for you watching at home.
Okay, 9-9.
Like, who would hold the camera like this? Sorry, it's me, guys.
Go away.
Bro, he rolls it.
Read it.
Man's be tripping. The ref is saying redo? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ooh. Ooh. She wants me filming, so I'm filming the game, you know? Alright. You're gay. What's wrong? Gay's okay, dude. Nah, Chris.
He's filming you only.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It's good views. Good views. Good.
Nice catch.
This game's the most. Oh my God! This dude just makes the worst fumble of his life. Oh shoot! Okay, sorry.
Yeah, it's 10-9 us now, but it was 9-9.
Guys, at 900K views, we're gonna be doing a face reveal. Shut up.
I think not.
Man's screaming ankles.
When it hits the light.
Alright, we got the proud sponsor right here, Fetty Slime. She doesn't know I'm filming her right now. Is that illegal? We're gonna focus. Focus. Tallulah interfering with the game. What are you doing, you 8th grader? Shouldn't be in here. Oh shoot. This game was supposed to be the 3. I'm pretty sure we're in the 10s now. Okay. It's pretty good. This is quality content.